Hi guys, right now I'm at the 2023 World Manufacturing Convention. This year's convention features greater internationalization. 41 enterprises from 8 countries like France, Israel, and Korea are invited to showcase their sharp products. Let's get to know them.
Very impressive. Cutting edge AI, alternative energy, precision, lifestyle, everything is changing very, very quickly, and it's very interesting to see all this technology in one place. AL Group originally specialized in filtration parts for the automotive, but in the recent years developed a new division for high quality and healthy air. So for example, we can take this net that is used for air condition, but after treatment it kills all the viruses and bacteria that go through it. It's a new technology, it's a sonochemical technology that we can take any kind of existing material and turn it into antiviral, antibacterial material. And we apply it to all kind of devices like air conditions, air purifier, even inside the cars, and it gives a lot of protection.
本次展会的话，我们也是推出了我们的一个最有竞争力的一个产品，像这种220公斤的这样一个机械臂，它的话是主要用于这个汽车的一个生产线当中的这个来车身的一些点焊的一个焊接，通过这种制造业大会的这种比较好的一个平台的话，可以把我们的产品更好的一个推广市场。
For us, it offers two things. First, many of our products are labor intensive. So when you see the level of automation, AI, technology, it basically presents what's the next generation or what the future manufacturing is going to be. The second is it gives us the opportunity to look for more cooperation opportunities, look for some partners, not partnership partners, but business partners, that we can use their technology, but also they can use our technology and increase the exposure and sales into China.
Okay, talk with the businessman, looking for business opportunities and also a window to follow the trend of global manufacturing or global technology